This is a bald eagle. It is a bird of prey, otherwise known as a raptor, and it is America's national bird. Did you know a baby bald eagle is actually completely brown and it does not have the white feathers on its head? A bald eagle lives up to 20 to 30 years. Also, did you know a bird of prey, not only the bald eagle but also hawks and falcons, can only live up to their first year of their life, about 90%, because they can't hunt too well as they don't have that much experience. This is a great horned owl. It likes to hunt basically anything that runs, like mice, some bats, sometimes fish. They can twist their heads about 270 degrees. This is a falcon. Falcons are some of the fastest birds in the world, and some of them even live on skyscrapers that today's builders make. This falcon is called a gyrfalcon. Most falcons nowadays are endangered. The great horned owl and many other owl species can flap their wings in a very quiet manner. This is a red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawks, it is very common in North America and can fly 193 kilometers per hour. Its wingspan is 105 centimeters, and it eats squirrels and other small animals such as bunnies. Thanks for watching.